Welcome, fam. If your body feels heavy, stiff, or stuck in yesterday's stress, this is your reset. In just 5 minutes, we'll ground your spine, unlock your hips, and restart your energy before the day steals it. Let's hit the mat. Sink back into child's pose. Feel your forehead press into the mat. On an inhale, ripple forward into Sphinx pose. Shoulders over elbows, chest proud. In child's pose, feel the hips melt back. In Sphinx pose, pull your heart forward without crunching the lower back. Beginners, keep forearms wider for comfort. Advanced stretches, add a gentle sway side to side in Sphinx. Moving between flexion and extension like this teaches your spine it's safe to move again. As you flow forward, pause for 5 extra seconds and breathe deeper. Can you feel your spine wake up a little more with each ripple? Stay tuned. Next, we're going even deeper into opening the front body. Lie flat, place your hands beneath your shoulders. Press through your palms, lifting your chest without locking the elbows. Press hips gently down for a deep stretch. Keep shoulders soft, not up by your ears. Beginners, stay low with the baby cobra. Advanced stretches, straighten your arms for a full extension. Did you know just 30 seconds in this position can reduce tightness from hours of sitting? Let's hold the next breath for 5 seconds at the top. Do you feel your heart space expanding too? Now that the front is open, let's rotate the spine and free your shoulders. From lying flat, extend one arm to the side. Roll onto it, opening the chest while keeping the hips grounded. Let the opposite knee lift if needed for balance. Breathe into the stretch and don't force it. Beginners, keep the roll light and supported. Advanced stretches, gently press into the ground for a deeper twist. This move unwinds your thoracic spine, the most neglected part of modern posture. Now time to challenge yourself. Can you find a little more space on your second side? Feel a sticky spot? That's tension melting away. Now we'll bring it back inward, directly into your hips and low back. Lie on your back, hug one knee into your chest, then switch sides halfway. Keep the opposite leg long and heavy. Gently pull the knee closer with every exhale. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the extended leg. Advanced stretches, flex the foot off the extended leg for deeper activation. Pulling your knee to chest decompresses your lower back, reversing hours of tightness. Hold the hug a few seconds longer. Feel your back soften against the floor. Notice how much lighter you feel compared to just a few minutes ago. One more move to seal the flow, and it's all about inner ease. Sit tall, soles of your feet together, knees out wide. Gently pull the heels closer if you can. Keep your spine upright. Don't collapse forward yet. Focus on breathing into the tightness in your inner thighs. Beginners, sit on a block or cushion. Advanced stretches, press elbows gently into your knees for a deeper stretch. This position mirrors resting postures seen in ancient cultures. It's how the body naturally recovers. Last 15 seconds. Lean slightly forward and breathe into that resistance. Feel that tension shift from struggle to surrender. That's the power of movement done right. not forced, but freed. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.